Okay, so we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the October Ipsy Glam bag. I cannot believe it's October. Like, it's crazy. Like, after 30, time just flies by. But let's get into it. Ipsy is a beauty subscription. It is $10 a month, and they do have an Ipsy Plus that is going to be coming out. I'm not sure exactly when. I know they did give it to some influencers to try, but I don't know when it's going to be available for Ipsy members. All I can find is it says they're gonna be rolling it out over the next few months. It sounds like there is a wait list, but I can't find it anywhere. If anyone knows anything about that, can you please let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get into it. It's $10 a month, and here is the bag for October. It's cute. I get the little masquerade mask for Halloween. It's cute. Let's see what's inside. Who said nights were for sleep? Yeah, exactly. I know all about that. Okay, so the first product is this. It's 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. So it is 0.17 ounces. We definitely can't get 8 hours of shut-eye every night, but we can definitely fake it till we make it. Next to this next level under eye gel. From brightening and minimizing puffiness to hydrating and minimizing fine lines, we can't help but wonder, is there anything it doesn't do? I have never heard of this brand, but I am definitely down to try an eye cream. Okay, so the next product, let me get it out of the bubble wrap. Ooh, it is this City Color Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlighter in Nebulizer. Ooh. Here it looks like an icy blue highlighter. Ooh, it has like a purple shift. Ooh, it's very creamy. Wow, I was not expecting that from City Color. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it is so gorgeous, and I really, really like this formula. Okay, so moving on. The next product is this Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Evens and brightens skin tone, natural radiant finish, blurs imperfections, and enhances and prolongs foundation wear. Okay. I have not heard of this brand either, but it sounds like it is a radiant primer, which I love. So here's what it looks like, not blended out. It's just, ooh, it feels kind of like a professional or a Smashbox, but it's radiant, but not overly radiant. I don't know if you could even tell, but it does give it a very like natural, healthy glow. And it is very hydrating, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, the next product is this mini Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. That is awesome. I mean, there are so many concealers that have claimed to be better than or as good as Shape Tape, and there are a couple that I do agree are very comparable. I love the Makeup Revolution ones. I have only tried the Huda Beauty concealer once, but wow. But this is still a bomb concealer, and I just love having a mini so that I can use this to travel with. Yeah, I got a Shape Tape. I got a Shape Tape. I'm sorry your products suck. I'm not the one that you should hate. Okay, and the last product is the Balm Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. Okay, it says Oliver. Is that seems to be the color. Anti-orange bronzer. That sounds perfect for me, because when a bronzer is too orange, I look like I've been playing in mud, which does not suit me at all. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Alright. I see you, the bomb. This bronzer's the bomb. Wow. I have a feeling I'm really going to be liking that. Like a lot. Believe it or not, these are all products that I know I am going to be using, and that doesn't happen very often in my Ipsy bags, so I am super impressed with this month's glam bag. So let me know if you got anything that I got in your Ipsy bag, or what was the best product you got in your Ipsy bag. I know if I got a Shape Tape, I know there was a few other like really good high-end items, so I'm curious as to what they are. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.